What's up YouTube? My name is William, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can choose a particular currency pair and load a data for that particular currency pair. Now this is going to be the first video which I will be creating to help you specify a currency pair and download that data so you can use that to train yourself when you are practicing using this software. So once you install the software on your MT4, you add it to your chart, you're going to see this Forex Simulator, and then you need to select Data Center. So once you select Data Center, now this is where your data will be coming from. I usually select Dukus Copy. You can also use TrueFX, but I prefer Dukus Copy. Now these are the currency pair that you can download. You have Euro USD, Aussie NZD, you have GBP USD, you have New Zealand, you have you also have exotic currency, US Singapore, and you have these other currencies as well, both major, minor, exotic, and even you have gold, silver that you can download the data, which you might want to use to train yourself. Also, you have the spot crude oil. You also have the DAX, you have the FTSE, you have the NQ 100, you have the S&P 500, you have the Dow Jones, Dow 30, Nikkei, and yeah, these are all the currencies you can download its data. And once you download the data, you can use this to train yourself on that particular market. So for this video, I'm just going to use an example of the gold. So I'm going to select gold. So I want to download this data if I want to practice trading the gold market. So gold is selected, and I select download. So once I select download, it's going to bring up this message: download last 1 year. If you want to increase it, you can increase it, but I'm just going to select the last 1 year of tick data. Or if you want to select all available data, you select that one, but I'm only going to select just 1 year ago. So I select download. So now this is going to go through the download process, and we're just going to give it a minute or two. Okay, this looks like a lot of data that is going to download. So I'm just going to pause the video, and once it's done, I'm going to come back. All right, our download just finished, and since we selected 1 year, so it's going to download from 1st of December 2018 till date, which is 28th of November 2019. So that's the data is going to select, is going to download. And the economical event calendar, we have these dates to download if we need to do that. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to select update from here, because this is the one I want to download. So I'm just going to update. They say there are no new available data. Okay, so that's cool. So once that is done, for these buttons here, this is to select or deselect all the check boxes, or uncheck it using this button. The update all selected, that is if you have selected more and you just want to update all of them, you can do that using this button. And here download all selected, that means if you have selected more than one, it's going to download all the data for the selected item that you have selected. So just going to unselect that one, and this is clear all. It's to clear all the selected items. And like I said, this download will download the economic calendar for this particular period once you select it. So it's already updated. So once you're done with that, you can now close the entire screen. Now this thing you're downloading will go to wherever you've specified it. Like for myself, it's going to my C drive, user, the name, and then the folder where it's going to be stored. So it's going to be stored in my in documents, and you can change it if you want. If you want to change it to a different drive or location, you use this to do that. Select that, and then you select whichever drive or location you want to store the data. So once that is done, you now select close. So once you select close, the next thing now is to now display the gold chart. So to do that, I have created an in-depth video how you can set up your charts and all that. I'm just going to do a quick one here so we can display the gold chart. So I'm going to select new simulation, and I'm going to select a different date. 2018. It's a gold chart. Okay, let's say the 16th, and starting with 100,000. Now I want to look back 365 days. And what else do I need to do here? New Year close, and the size is this. Real time, and what else? I think that's it. Start simulation. Now I go back to chart, and I select 1 hour. How many bars? Increase this. Let's say add, and open. All right, now I have data. So I'm going to close this. And then I'm going to maximize this, increase this, and minimize that. So this is my data for the gold chart. So now to play this, like I said, again, I have an in-depth video which shows step by step how to use all these functions. For this video, I just want to show you how you can add data. So I'm not going to explain certain things. Look, the other video that I created about MT4 Forex Simulation. So I'm just going to select this and click the play. And I'm going to increase this so we can see that the data is actually working. So you can see it's moving. And you can enter in the market if you want. If you feel this is a sell, you select a sell. Not enough money. Okay, so we'll make it 0.01. This is a sell. You enter in a sell. So you can see. So down here, your equity it's reducing. So as it moves, it moves. So all these functions that we have here, look at the other video about MT4 simulation, Forex simulation. That will show you step by step how to set some of these things that we have here. And yeah, that's it. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends as well as family. Thank you so much, and you have a good day.